Hi, it's Sachi. So today I want to make this men's shirt into a feminine blouse inspired by this design by Sezane. So my plan is to take off this collar and cut off some hem and make it into a ruffle and then attach it to the neckline. These shoulders are okay, but I feel like it's making my already squared shoulder look even wider. So I want to make them come in a little bit toward the neckline to make the illusion of narrower shoulders. And that should take care of this sleeve length, which is a little bit too long right now. But if I move this shoulder up a little bit, sleeve length should be perfect. So let's see how it's going to work out. I'm going to cut out ruffles from the hem, and I want my ruffles to be about 1.5 inch wide, and I'm going to use this little hem of the shirt as the ruffle edge. I need to add 1/2 inch seam allowance to one side of the ruffle so that I can attach the ruffle to the shirt. So I'm cutting out 2 inch wide strip from the hem. And cut the edge of the strip like this. This is the finished edge. Here I'm just avoiding all the layers in the front placket. So this side is going to be gathered like this. This way you have nice tapered edge when it's gathered. I'm going to undo all the stitches that are holding the collar to the collar stand. I want to sandwich the ruffles between the collar stands. Then I want the ruffles to continue down to the front on this side. So I'm going to undo these seams in this little area too. I think I'm going to undo this buttonhole too. And then after putting the ruffles in, I'm going to redo the buttonholes, because I feel like this is kind of difficult to sandwich the ruffles like this. On the ruffle piece, I'm going to do 2 rows of stitching about 1/4 inch apart, parallel to the row edge here, using long stitches. Now I'm going to take the bottom threads of each stitching and tie them together. And I cut the excess thread after tying them together. Now I grab the top threads of each stitching and pull them at the same time. And do the same thing from the other side too. I think I'm going to pin the ruffles on the shirt, then try the shirt on to see if I like the placement. This is my first try. I think the ruffle is too wide. I think I want to make it more like 1 inch. Then move this edge further down. I should probably move this edge closer to the front. I tried on the shirt and I marked where I want to move the sleeves to. Now using my flexible ruler, I'm going to try to replicate this curve right on here, or at least the length of the armhole, so that I can attach the sleeve to the new armhole. I adjusted the side seams already, so now I'm going to reattach the sleeve to the shirt bodice. I have this horizontal buttonhole at the bottom, so I'm just going to fold it right above the buttonhole and stitch right here so that you can't really see the buttonhole from the front. And I have enough distance from the hem and the last buttonhole.